real quick before this video begins, sorry that you can't really hear me in the video. It's because of the engine being loud and me not talking loud enough. But I don't know how to edit it to make it sound any different, so sorry about that. But enjoy the video. Guys, welcome back to Cause Why Not? So yesterday on Monday, we went to the camper store, or camper place, and got our new camper, and I'll show it to you. But we also got something else. So there's the new camper. But we also got this. Now this is my sister's. Of course, it's not mine, but I did figure out a way to hook my phone to something. I have a chest strap thing. And yeah, we're gonna go drive around on it, and you can finally get a POV of my motorcycle and now on the go-kart. So, alright, let's get right to it. Alright, so we got the motorcycle here. I'm gonna put my gloves on real quick. We got everything ready. Yeah, so we're just gonna take it out. I'm gonna start it, take it out, just a quick drive, and then take the go-kart out, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how I started. This is my POV of how I started. Yeah, it's very strange, as you can tell. But, yeah, let's go. Oh. Alright, so, it might be a bit loud, I don't know, but, yeah, let's go. So, yeah, usually, this is really fun, it goes pretty fast, so, yeah, alright, and it also may be a bit bumpy, as you can probably see that, but yeah. camera so you can see my address real quick. While I pull this thing into the garage. Alright, all good there. And yeah, so there's the motorcycle POV. It's really fun. And then just gotta park this thing and we'll take the go-kart out. Alright, so here's the go-kart. Of course, my sister's. I did ask her. She said yes. So, yeah. That thing's on. So, I'm gonna get it outside. This one's a bit harder to maneuver, of course. It's a larger vehicle. Let me make sure this thing's still recording. Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, so, yeah, just gonna start it. There it goes. Alright, so here we go in the go-kart. It's pretty fun. Okay, I'm gonna put it first. Of course, it is designed for smaller people, so I don't fit in it very well, but, yeah. Yeah, we can get it, right? Alright. So. Seatbelt. Alright. So, here we go, I guess. Neither of these vehicles are street legal. I just take the back roads, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry about that. Yeah, just taking the same route. Should I go to, I'm gonna go to the Pool Park. Or actually not Pool Park, Engine Park, or Tanner's Park. Yeah, Tanner's Park. Or something like that. Yeah, we're gonna go, probably gonna go down to the park with this thing. Don't know if it's gonna fit on the sidewalk, it's a bit wider, as they know. But after my sister gets home, she's at gymnastics right now. After my sister gets home, yeah, maybe we'll drive around a bit on our own vehicle. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's really fun. These things are super, super fun. Oh, shit. Okay. Oops, sorry. I was supposed to turn back there. All good. That'll just be a longer drive for go-kart. All good. But yeah, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you like this stuff. I really like this. Again, if you want to get one, I would get one because these things are really fun. This one is meant more for kids because, like, again, by my knees, probably see it. By my knees, they are really cramped in there. So, yeah, these are meant for kids. I think they make adult versions, but yeah, Coleman. These are Coleman. This one is a Coleman CK200T or something like that. And my motorcycle is Coleman CT100U. So, yeah, leave a comment if you like the video. Like, I would need a video ideas because I almost never have any video ideas. So, yeah, comment what you think I should do for a video. And yeah, I'll in the comment, like the comment, whatever. Yeah. Also, if you didn't see on my last video, when we get to 100 subscribers, $100 giveaway or something like, maybe even more. No, don't know. But if you wanna try to enter the giveaway, comment. I don't know. I'll check the description down below. I'll have my Discord username there. So DM me on Discord if you want to enter the giveaway with your I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Just check the description. There'll be more information down there. This one doesn't go as fast as my motorcycle because I haven't modified it yet, but I'm going to modify it, this thing. I'm going to take it to some of my friends who can modify it. They were actually the people who modified my motorcycle, so I think I'll have to see if they have YouTube channels. I'll link them in the description as well. But yeah, like the video, subscribe, like it, comment what you like what you want me to do for videos, but other than that, that's pretty much all that needs to be said, so I'll just finish up this drive, and again, sorry if it's really bumpy, but I can't really do anything about that. So yeah, I'll finish up this drive and just turn around here real quick. But I'm gonna get this thing inside the garage. There's my mom, or yeah, you can't see her, but there's my mom. Yeah, there's my mom, and yeah.
I didn't know where it was. I thought someone took it.
No, I took it out. I was making a YouTube video. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, this is hers. I mean, she's home now, so I'm gonna. Do you want to take it out and do you want to drive around so we can both do it?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a second to
Guys,
just
look at my feet.
do stuff. So yeah, I'll be. And we should be going right. We should be starting to head out or something right about now.